What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. Please continue to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. As you can see by the title, I am doing fried roasted breadfruit with tin mackerel. Yes, here I have my roast breadfruit already sliced up. And yes, this comes straight from Jamaica. Yeah, man. So we're gonna say authentic Jamaican roasted fried breadfruit. And here I have my tin mackerel right here. So tin mackerel in tomato sauce. Here I have some bell pepper. I have tomato, garlic, hot pepper, scallion, thyme, and onion. Over here I have some garlic powder, black pepper, and some complete seasoning. So now I have the pepper and the tomato and the scallion and the onion already cut up, ready. Yes. Here I open the tin mackerel and I'm removing the bone from in the middle. Yes, I'm taking this out. And I'm going to cut all of them and do the same thing. Yes, I don't prepare my tin mackerel with that bone inside. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Yes, guys, I love my tin mackerel. I love it with fried dumpling. I love it with roasted breadfruit and fried breadfruit. And I like it with white rice. Yeah, man. So here I have the oil on the fire and now I'm frying my breadfruit. And I'm going to fry my breadfruit golden brown. And here I have the oil on the fire for the tin mackerel and I'm adding my scallion, thyme, tomato, scallion, and all of that. And I'm just sauteing it down. So I just add some garlic powder, black pepper, and some complete seasoning to that. And I just stir it up. This smells so good, guys, the seasoning. Now I'm adding my tin mackerel. I'm adding my tin mackerel and I'm adding some more black pepper to that, guys. And then me drop me add scotch bonnet pepper inside. But you know me, me always drop my pepper last because me not cook my food and can't enjoy it. You know, me not spice it up too much. And then when it done, the amount of pepper in it, me can't enjoy it. So me I drop my pepper for last. Make it get the little flavor of the pepper. And if me want some pepper, me I go cut it. Yes, now I'm turning my breadfruit. Yes, guys, I love my roast breadfruit and then, yeah, roast breadfruit and then fried. Yeah, Kevin, brother, big up yourself. I get this roast breadfruit from my brother and just come back from Jamaica and bring back goodies for me. And see me I fry my breadfruit, I feel on top of the world. And look at my tin mackerel over here, so. And guys, it's time for plating. My roasted fried breadfruit and tin mackerel is ready. Look at it. It smells good, it looks good, it tastes good. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, work good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more.